Hello kids, how are you? Yes, this is Shipra again with my new DIY activity and let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. Yes, my little ones, what we have today. Should I show you what I have? Okay. So kids, I have a magic today. Can you see the difference? So my top color is blue. Downwards you can see green color and outside the bowl there is yellow color. There is one more difference. Yes. Can you tell me? Yes, it is my glass in the water which is in the bowl is looking bigger also. So we have two experiments, but today we will discuss one and later on I will discuss it with you in my next DIY experiment. So let's see what I have used for my experiments. So yes, kids, let me just tell you what all things we have used. Okay. And I have told you that there are two experiments. One is my glass was looking broader and the second is the water in the bowl was looking green from the bottom. So let me just tell you what all things and then I will tell you the science behind the concept that why it was looking green in color. And the second concept, yes, the second concept of why it was looking broader, you will definitely come to know soon with my next DIY experiment. Till then, let us do this experiment for today. Okay, so I have a jug of glass, a bowl of glass, a water bottle, my blue color, I'm taking my watercolors. Okay, you can even take food color if you have a blue color and yellow color as a food color. So anything you can take, or if you have two separate things like I have taken, you can take that way also, kids. Now what we are going to do, we and definitely an ice cream stick or maybe a spoon or spatula, so just to mix the blue color. We will take water in the glass and at the same time we'll add water to our jug also. Now just put few drops of water in the put few drops of color in the water, yellow color in the water. If you are using water paints, just take little color and put it in the water. On the other hand, what I am going to do, kids, I am taking my blue paint, that is my water paint, a little amount of paint I am taking in my ice cream stick or a spoon and I will mix it nicely. So this will take little time to mix. Just mix it nicely. So you can see that a proper yellow color has come and a proper blue color has come. If we use a food color, that mixes very nicely with the water, but still I am good with my blue color water paint also. So if you don't have food colors, you can use water paints, kids. No worries. Then what I will do, I will place this glass in my empty glass bowl. The moment I will pour water, just take care when you are pouring the yellow water, take care that it does not go inside your blue color. Just pour it nicely. And definitely you can see the difference. Yes. Can you see the difference, kids? Inside the water, it is green and outside it is blue in color. So basically, this is a concept of primary and tertiary, primary and secondary colors. Blue and yellow are primary colors, and when we see it through clear glass, it looks blue. Here, it looks blue because we are directly seeing it from one glass. But when we see it through the water, which is yellow in color, the blue and yellow color changes to a secondary color that is green. So when we look into it from here, it appears to us in green in color, kids. The reason is that the wavelength of the color changes. So this is going to be a science concept later on as you grow up. So the main concept is as the wavelength of the color changes, so we can see two different colors. And the second thing is that blue and yellow are primary colors, which mixed together gives us a secondary color that is green. This concept even we use when we are doing painting, kids. Okay, so I hope this concept is clear to you. My second concept was that the glass is looking little broader as I shown you earlier. So very soon in my next DIY experiment, I will disclose that reason also. So I will tell you why it is so. So kids, stay tuned in, and Shipra is going to come up again with her new science experiment. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.